Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking to the couples. If you are in a relationship, listen very well to these tips and tricks to keep your relationship fire burning. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to this channel to support the channel, and click on the notifications bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. Yes. To book a counseling session with me, go to noraarake.com/booking or send me an email. I'll be glad to reply. Thank you so much. Let's go. Number 1. The first thing you must do every day when you wake up in the morning is to check on your loved ones. Call them, text them, find out are they doing well, even if you are in the same bedroom, same house. Say a good morning to this person. Find out are they okay? Are they fine? Did they sleep well? Did they have a good night? How was the night? What type of dreams did they have? Show that you genuinely care. If you can't do that, trust me, something is lacking. You do not love this person to the level you are acting to love the person. Or you just don't know how to love. Number 2, never spend a day without talking to your loved ones, to your lover. Never spend a day, 2 days without hearing the voice of your loved ones. For example, some people are in the same country but spend days without even calling or communicating. It's very dangerous. Number 3, never receive a message from your lover, your husband, your boyfriend, and you don't reply it. No matter what it is, it could be an annoying message, it could be a happy message, it could be a request, it could be a question, whatever it is, reply to it. Those people who blue tick messages and you don't reply them, it is very bad. It sends a message of you are ignoring me, you don't love me anymore, you don't care as much. Never refuse to reply a message from your lover, because they've taken time and energy and put in thought to text you. Put in a little effort to reply. Number 4, you are always standing up your lover. Very bad. If you've organized a meeting, maybe a date night, you're going out for lunch, show up. If you realize for some reason you can't make it, communicate. Let them know. Find all ways possible of communicating, of telling the person, let's reschedule. Don't just shut it off. Don't shut it down. It is very dangerous. It sends a wrong message and it tarnishes your image in your relationship. Number 5, be affectionate. You met your lover. Maybe he's from work, she's from work, or maybe you are meeting on a date. Be affectionate. A hug, a soft hug, goes a long way in communicating how much you love this person. Don't be so cold. It sends a wrong message. If you are in a relationship, listen and listen good and put this in practice. It takes your relationship to higher steps. Number 6, are you the person who is always on phone? Whenever your man or your woman calls, your phone is busy? Very dangerous. Whom are you busy talking to? Yes, it could be business. Does your partner know about it? Does your partner know about your busy phone calls all the time? Number 7, your relationship, your love is just down in your schedule, in your radar. You don't give your partner time. You are always with the boys. You are always with your girls. You are always with your other friends. You are always out with your friends, maybe in sports, maybe in club. You're having fun with others. You go out with others. You don't spare time for your loved ones. You are always working. Oh my God. This is a very bad image for your relationship. If your partner is not telling you, they are losing love for you. Always spend and spare time for your partner. It's very important to grow a relationship. What do you do when you see your partner's missed calls? Do you return them? Or you're this type of person who pulls it off and you say, I will reply later. You keep procrastinating replying your partner's calls. It's very dangerous. It sends a wrong message and a wrong signal, and it puts your relationship down. Number 8. How long have you been in your relationship? You have dated and courted for all this time, but you don't know where your relationship is leading to. You don't know whether it's going to lead to marriage or it's not. You are just in a zone that you also don't understand. Give your relationship purpose and find purpose for your relationship. Where is it heading to? Is it leading to marriage? What is your relationship about? You have to know what is happening. If you know you're not going to marry that person, stop wasting the person's time and let them know that you are just there to have fun and pass time. Find out and find out now where your relationship is heading to. Otherwise, you stand to lose a lot of time. And let me tell you something. Time is what hurts most at the end of the relationship. During the heartbreak, time is what is going to hurt you most. So without wasting time, without further ado, find out if you are wasting time or not in this relationship. Number 9, do not play with someone's feelings. If you know you don't love the person, you really don't love this person, tell them, end it. If you can't tell them, just end it. It's better now than later. Do not waste someone's time. Number 10, you are in this relationship. Have you met your in-laws yet? Do you know who they are? It's either you have to do it now. Do not procrastinate about it. Plan with your partner to meet their siblings, to know their friends, to know their relatives, to know their parents. Plan it now. Do not put it on hold. You have nothing to fear. They are not going to beat you. They are not going to do anything to you. They just want to know you, and you need to know them. Right now, you may feel like you don't need anyone. You are with your partner and it's enough. Later, you will need them more than ever. So, do it now. Do not procrastinate about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've learned something. If you are new to my channel, support this channel by subscribing. Click on that subscribe. You see the word subscribe down below? Click on it once. And the notifications bell, so that every time I post a video, you are notified. Thank you so much. If you would like a counseling session with me, go to noraarake.com/booking and book your counseling session. Thank you. I love you. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.